Semantic HTML is markup that conveys meaning about its contents. It provides visual information to users viewing the page, and also provides accessibility options to assistive devices like screen readers to help a user navigate the page. Accessibility is a whole topic on its own and is very important, but using Semantic HTML also gives the added bonus of providing meaning to search engines about the content. Heading tags are one of the most common Semantic HTML elements. They make the text bigger, but also convey to search engines the significance of the text inside the tags. You could use a style sheet to make the text inside a div tag look the same as the text inside an h1 tag, because ultimately, h1 is just being styled by the browser's default user agent style sheet. But using proper heading tags provides semantic meaning about the importance of the text. There are some semantic HTML tags that can be used in place of other common tags that are traditionally used for display, so you can add more meaning to the content. For example, using the tag strong will make the text inside the tag appear the same as when you use the bold tag. But strong is meant to indicate importance of the text, and not just visual boldness. Similarly, the EM element displays the same as the italics tag, but it's meant to indicate emphasis of the content. Let's look at our PyShop site and see how semantic HTML is being used. I have the home page open, index.html. Inside the body of the document is where the visible content begins. The header tag is used to present introductory content and navigational aids. Notice there are multiple header elements in the page, and giving this one a CSS class allows for specific styling. Inside this header, there's a nav element, which, as you can guess, indicates navigation, like menus or a table of contents. In this case, there's a list, and this header element is the main navigation at the top of the page. So we're telling search engine crawlers and screen readers that this list is for navigation. The aside element represents a portion of the document whose content is indirectly related to the main content. In this case, it contains the left menu. The main tag represents the dominant content of the body, so this is the content that is directly related to the central topic. And it contains an article tag, which is a self-contained part of the document that can be used for things like magazine articles or blog posts. There are H1 and H2 tags being used to display and convey the importance of the sections, and the section tag represents a standalone section of content. At the bottom is the footer tag, which typically contains information about the company and contact information. In this case, it contains another semantic HTML tag, the address tag, which is used to represent contact information. All these tags have default visual styles associated with them by the browser, but you could just replace them with div tags and use your own styles to make them appear the same to the end user. But by using these standard semantic HTML elements instead, you help search engine crawlers to index and rank your content based on meaning, not just by searching for keywords on the page. The Google Guide to Search Engine Optimization doesn't say a whole lot about semantic HTML, other than that it can help crawlers find and process images. But the guide does stress writing good content, and semantic HTML provides meaning to that content, and in the process provides better accessibility for the page. So when you want to go even further to help search engines understand your page content, you can add structured data. So let's look at that next.